Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to create this glittery eye makeup look. So let's get started now. Firstly I'm applying primer around my T-zone. So this is the Nykaa Prep and Prime that I'm using. So simply spreading it. Then I'm going with my foundation, that's the Milani, and mixing a little bit of Nykaa Skin Potion Superfood Facial Oil. So these oils are very good, they are very light on your skin. So I'm just adding 2 drops and mixing it with a pump up foundation and then simply applying it with my hands on my face. Now I'm taking this damp beauty sponge, this is from PAC, and simply blending my foundation with it. So as you can see, some of my marks have not been covered because I took only a little bit of foundation, a pump. So now I'll again take one more pump up foundation and will apply it specifically to my problematic areas, and then I'll again blend it. You can also use this foundation as a concealer as well because it's foundation plus concealer, but I wanted to use a different concealer that I have, that is the one from Makeup Revolution. So I'll be using that later in the video after I'm done with blending my foundation. So now you can see it's totally concealed. So I'm proceeding with applying a color corrector around my eyes and around my mouth because it's a peach corrector, so it will help me to cancel out all the darkness and my concealer won't look grayish. You can also use a brush or your sponge, but I don't like to use them because they might move my color corrector a bit, so prefer using my fingers for blending the corrector. So now I'm using this concealer and this is from Makeup Revolution. I'm in the shade C5. So this concealer is a bit drying. So my suggestion would be that as soon as you apply it, blend it. Don't wait and don't think like firstly I should apply it all over my face and then I'll blend it. Apply it to a portion of your face and then blend it because it might leave lines or marks if you let it dry. Next I am taking this contour palette from Wet n Wild. So firstly with my makeup sponge I'll be taking that banana shade or the banana powder and simply setting my concealed areas with it. So now I'm taking that bronzing shade from the same palette and I'll be applying it to my parameters of the face. So that would be below my cheeks and around my nose so that my face doesn't look flat after all the foundation and the concealer. Next, to set my face, I am going with this pressed powder from Wet n Wild and simply setting all my face with it. So as you can see, I'm pressing the powder in my skin. You don't have to drag it, you have to push it or press it into your skin. Next, for my blush, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution and using that shade I'll apply it on my cheeks. Now for my highlighter, I'm using this from Maybelline and this is in the shade Rose Gold. So simply applying it onto the high points of my face, that is above my cheeks, above my eyebrows, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, all those areas that we always highlight. And now I'll be setting my face using this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. So keep it a bit away from your face and simply spray it. This helps in giving your face that natural glow and melts in all the powders and sets your foundation so that your foundation and concealer and all the powders don't move. Now it's time for my eyebrows. So working on my eyebrows using this Nykaa eyebrow pencil, simply brushing them first and then filling in the areas or the gaps and simply brushing them again. So that's all that you have to do, and doing that on both of my eyebrows. So now let's move on to the star of the show, my eyes. So I'll be using this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and using this shade I'll simply apply it above my socket area, or you can say my crease line. So simply tapping off the excess and then going in swipe motions and applying it above my crease. Now from this different palette, Sofx from Makeup Revolution, I'm taking that peachy shade, or you can say a bit dark peachy shade, and then I'll be applying it all over my eyelids. So I'll be doing that on both of my eyes, and blending is the key. So you have to blend it until everything looks smooth and blends in together. So now I'll be applying this glitter on my eyes, and that is from the brand Colourpop. So let me just show you how it actually looks. So it's a kind of peachy glitter and it's a bit liquidy. So I'll be simply applying it with my fingers on both of my eyes. It's very easy and there is no science that I'm following, simply applying it on my eyes. So now using this Bot eyeliner from Nykaa, I'll be applying my eyeliner, and I did that off camera. So now I'll be applying this mascara to my eyelashes, and this is from the brand L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and it's such a lovely mascara and everyone should try it. And now I'm applying some kajal. So using this kajal from Purple, it's a jet black kajal. It's good and affordable as well. And now I'm highlighting my below my eyebrows. So using the same highlighter that I used from Maybelline. And here comes the best part that I love the most, and that is applying a lipstick. This lipstick is from L'Oreal's Rouge Signature Matte range, and this is the shade I Lead. So I'll be providing all the links to you in the description box below that I have used in this video, and here is the completed and final look. This look was very easy to be created and can be worn anytime during any function. So thank you so much for watching.